Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to our brand new video where we're doing individual lashes. So I'm starting off on a very clean face. I'm just putting on toner right now because my skin was feeling a little too tight before we get started. I think it is NB to start off on a clean base and clean lashes just to make sure that they adhere. And what I'm using is lashes, glue, and tweezers, as well as this kind of tweezer that accommodates lashes. I'm using cluster lashes. They're a little bit easier to work with as they are quite wide and wispy. For the natural girlies, these are 10 millimeters, very short, very friendly. And when I put them on, I pluck the lashes right at the base near where the glue is, where the lashes are stuck. I put glue on just a little bit, not too much, as that can definitely affect lashes adhering. And I lift up my eyelids and I try to stick them on my skin. But honestly, I wouldn't recommend that. Probably just under, right, right underneath, or right on your actual natural lashes. You can notice that there's a band of skin right there, just right like that on the lash, so that the glue doesn't get in my eye. And this kind of glue, if you're familiar with the Ardell glue, it's literally the same thing, just brand differently. It's not friendly at all. And that is it. That is all. I usually do my own lashes exactly like this, and they last me for a good week, sometimes less. I do get very irritated with lashes on though, so most of the time it's less, but they are good to have, especially when I'm going out. Like, look at that, it looks so natural. I could literally be done already and be good to go, especially with how short they are. I push them up just to secure them, to make sure that they're actually stuck as close as possible to my own lashes. I don't go too far into my inner corner. I try to end off right before my own actual lashes. Look at that. There's already a difference. There's a little bit more volume compared to my other eye where there are no lashes. And honestly, a little goes a long way here. This is the first time, well, not really. It's the first time in a long time where I'm doing such short of a size. And just look at that. I'm just gonna press them with my second tweezer. Press them together just to make sure that they blend with my own lashes. And that's it, guys. This is all that I do. It takes me about 45 minutes to do both eyes, and this is the end result. Please do like, share, subscribe, tell your friends to tell their friends. And also let me know in the comments what other videos you'd like to see and what you think of the final look. Bye, y'all.